what's up? I'm here at my friend Ben's house.
Hi.
We're gonna be doing We're gonna be doing a butterfly knife trick video. This is a trainer blade. It's Ben's. Hey, let me know in the comments below if I should get one. Oh, bull. All right, but let's get him going. Ben, I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Right, stop.
Okay.
Ah! Good thing this isn't a real blade.
I would kill someone. Restart it.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's
All right,
so
let me try.
hard.
Ah! My hand would have been so sliced up.
This is Tyler trying to do butterfly.
No, I gotta try to catch it by the safe side. Ow! Landed on my toe.
You're very bad at this. Here's a yummy snack I bought today. Oh.
All right, Ben just had to go to the bathroom and take a poop, but I just got this new learn. Ow! I just squished my finger like that. It hurt.
Tyler,
What?
if you're in the
I'm filming right now.
bathroom and you drop it, you can hear it. Like, listen, go into the bathroom and close the door.
All right, I'm gonna try some more. I'll try like. Oh, I had such a good streak going. Well, guys, I am back at my house right now. Ben let me borrow his butterfly knife so I can finish making this video. Oh, barf. So I can finish making this video. But I had an idea because I have this hatchet thingy. So I'm going to keep the cover on it for now. But I'm going to try to get 2 flips. So let's get one. Ah. Try to get 2. Man, why can I not get it? I get it like once. That was almost 3. Oh, I got it, but I want to get it cleaner. There we go. There we go. I just had to throw it higher. I wonder if I can get triple. Oh, I almost hit my fan. Alright, I'm going to try to do a little bit more stuff with the butterfly knife. Ah. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. It's probably really short, but I'm not very good at butterfly knife tricks. I'm probably going to order one or just borrow this one from Ben longer. But that's it for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed. Like it if you want me to get a butterfly knife and do a learning series. But for this video, that is about it right now. So see you guys later.
Back in Boulder, we ain't ever getting older.